University Grants Commission (UGC) has issued notices to 54 private universities across India, including Asian International University and Bir Kendriya University and Manipur International University for failing to submit required information under Section 13 of the UGC Act 1956 and for not making public disclosures on their official websites. The action follows a UGC directive in June 2024 which mandated all universities to make important institutional information publicly accessible and submitted in a prescribed soft copy format verified by the university registrar. The guidelines require institutions to maintain functional websites with easily accessible information on the homepage, along with search facility for stakeholders. Madhya Pradesh topped the list with 10 defaulter universities, followed by one each in Assam, Goa, Haryana, Karnataka, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tripura and West Bengal, 2 in Maharashtra, 3 each in Bihar, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand, 4 each in Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, 5 in Sikkim and 8 in Gujarat. The UGC has circulated the list of non-compliant universities and warned them to take immediate corrective action, noting that further action could follow if the instructions are ignored. The regulator has recently intensified monitoring of private universities, having earlier warned 23 institutions in July for not appointing ombudsmen.